So it's a little bit something. Of course, when we dance, we can step, and as we move our body weight correct, our pendulum changes in a very natural way. So you look very natural, but it's for the musicality, you want to always add something. And where you can add, you don't want to add too much here. I mean, you can add an upper body. For the man is okay, but very much you want to have your upper body more like a guide your step. But really where you can add something special in that hip area, and especially as you complete transferring. So you don't want to be right away on the transfer because not much you can add now. You want to always get into the split and then add, split and then add. So let's say if you have a solo small piece in your choreography, let's take, for example, you have your rumba, you want to have like sliding door, you want to have step 2, 3, you have 4-1 here, you have 2, 3, and maybe like together 4-1. So this is like simple. So if you do it correctly, will be step, then you transfer weight, release. Step, transfer weight, release, hip twist. Step, transfer weight, release, hip, step, release. So this, in this case, you're just gonna flow, but it will not create a desirable effect where you can play. Now here, if you use this method, you want to very much divide your step into the split weight here. So then you can add hips, which will guide your legs. Warm here, then you can always have this, like there is something happens in the middle. There's much more possibilities to move. So it's not gonna look like just a step, release, step, release. So it's something in between, like you're moving your hip by itself, but it's combined with the body weight. So the key here is a split weight. If you land like a split weight, as you push off, you have two choices. You can just push off and finish your weight, or you can split weight, you can push off and do a little bit, adding circles to it. And that's what, let's say when we dance in couples, like I don't see it much. Let's say if you're here and we do like this simple opening out. So stay here, walk, yeah, just like walk forward, walk, and you're going back. 2 and 3, 4, 1, and yeah. So here, the good choice would be if you from here, if your partner spins you, you go in split weight position, right? And here, not only change your weight, but add a little bit circles. It's a little bit more fun. Warm, warm, yes. So you will look much more flexible, more musical, and that there is more, and it will not disturb your connection as well. So because like on upper body, you cannot add too much because it's already almost like maximum engage to take you to the step. But if we have this split weight here, now I can do this fast whipping circle, and you can do it. It will look really, really cool. Walk 2 and 3 and 4 and it's going to be less physical. And let's say if we're doing rumba, we go 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, and then here we can use that hip before, like 2 and 3, 4, 1, and here and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, and 2 and 3, 4 and 2. Now here's good opportunity, for example, for the men, 2 and 3 and 4, 1. So adding a little bit those fun hip actions. Okay, you have questions? Like